This is how to tie a cow hitch. The cow hitch is used primarily in anchoring applications to attach a friction device or attach crane slings to large pieces of wood, etc. To tie the cow hitch, we're going to take the rope or the sling and bring it all the way around what you're trying to anchor to. We're going to take the tail and drape it under the end of the rope with the piece of equipment on the end. Create a distinctive U, which is very similar to the timber hitch, but instead of tucking underneath and behind the timber hitch, we're going to bring this all the way back around itself again, being careful if this is on the top to keep this draped around the top and parallel all the way around back to this end. Once we're back to this end, this forms a distinctive U. We're going to take the tail and we're going to tuck this under the U. And what we've now made is a girth hitch. To create a cow hitch, you make a girth hitch and add 2 half hitches to it. So I'm going to create what I, in my brain, think of as a D, and I'm going to tuck this end through it to create my first half hitch, like so. Dress that. I'm going to create a second and tuck the tail through once again to create a second half hitch. And that is how you create a cow hitch.